Google Photos not showing all the photos fix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if the Google Photos app is not showing all the photos. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first, it depends upon what you're talking about. Are you talking about the photos that you might have backed up to Google Photos, or are you talking about the photos that you have not backed up and that are only stored on your device? So first, if you want to have the photos that you only stored on your device, you can visit the library option from the bottom right. Then right here you can see photos on device, right? So you can tap on the view all option here and you'll see all the photos that you have saved on your device. Now if you also want to find the photos that you have backed up, come to the photos tab, and right over here you will see all of these photos. These are all actually already been backed up to Google Photos. So this is how you can segregate them. Otherwise, if it is a bit confusing, instead of using Google Photos app, there is also another app known as Google Gallery, which does not have the backup capability, by the way. So you can also use Google's Gallery application, not the Photos app but the Gallery app, to only view the offline photos that are saved on your device. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.